Chapter 3, Book Snapshot, Ranga's Marriage, written by Masti Venkatesh Iyengar. Now, Ranga's marriage is an interesting story of how a person manipulates to get a young boy married to an 11-year-old girl in a village. This work is done by the narrator Shyama. The story it goes back to the early days of British rule when English was not used in such a big way in India. Rangappa, that was the son of village accountant, is sent to Bangalore to study. And after his completion of his studies, when he comes back after 6 months, it makes a big event for the village. The curious villagers they gather outside Ranga's house to see how much the boy had changed, and they were very happy that he has not changed much. Now the narrator, the Shyama, he discusses the issue of marriage with Ranga. In short, he's called Ranga, and then he resolves to get the boy married to a young and immature 11-year-old girl, Ratna. And in this work, he seeks the support of Shastri, that is astrologer, to bring Ratna and Ranga together. And finally, what we see is that Rangappa, he forgets about all his idealism and all, and he settles down happily with Ratna. And he becomes the father of a boy. This story very beautifully depicts the life of Indian villages in the past, when the child marriage was a common practice. And this village, Hosahalli, it is near Mysore. It is a village of South India. Now see, the Ranga, the accountant's son, is one of the rare breed among the village folk who has been to the city to pursue his studies. He is one of the rare breed. Rare means unusual. Breed means type of a person. वो कहते हैं रंगा बड़ा different आदमी था, rare breed का था हमारे यहाँ, because he went to pursue to get his studies. When he returns to his village from the city of Bangalore, the crowds mill around his house to see whether he has changed or not. Mill means the crowd. Crowd means bheed, people gather. His ideas about marriage are now quite different, or are they? Now we come to the story. When you see this title, some of you may ask, Ranga's marriage. Why not Ranganatha Viva or Ranganatha Vijaya? Well, yes, I know I could have used some other mouth-filling one like Jagannath Vijaya or Girija Kalyana. But then this is not about Jagannath's victory or Girija's wedding. It's about our own Ranga's marriage, and hence no fancy title. So the narrator says that he has not given it's a fancy title. Fancy means very decorative, very attractive title उसने नहीं दिया. जैसे कि वो देख सकता था गिरिजा कल्याणा, जगन्नाथा विजया. वो कहता है ये कुछ नहीं है. It's not. I don't want to give the fancy title to this story because ये एक simple सी story है हमारे. वो कहता है हमारे अपने रंगा की marriage की story है. Hosahalli is our village. You must have heard it. No, what a pity. But it is not your fault. There is no mention of it in any geography book. Those sahibs in England writing in English probably do not know that such a place exists, and so make no mention of it. And then he says that Hosahalli is their village, and then he feels that people may not know it because at the time it was not in any geography book, and then he blames those sahibs of England because it was a British rule. Okay, they have not made a mention of this place anyway. Our own people too forget it. He says our people also forget about it. You know how it is. They are like a flock of sheep. One sheep walks into a pit, the rest blindly follows it. He says कि हमारे लोग भी ऐसे ही हैं. क्या करते हैं कि जैसे एक sheep गड्ढे में गिरती है, pit में गिरती है, large hole में डलती है, the rest will follow. When both the sahibs in England and our own geographers have not referred to it, you cannot expect the poor cartographer to remember to put it on the map, can you? तो कहता है जब ना तो साहिब्स जो इंग्लैंड के हैं दे हैव मेड अ मेंशन ऑफ दिस प्लेस, नॉट आवर ओन पीपल, हमारे जोग्राफर्स ने भी कभी इस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया. और देन ही सेज दैट वी कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट द कार्टोग्राफर्स. कार्टोग्राफर इज़ अ पर्सन हु ड्रॉज मैप, कि वो कार्टोग्राफर कैसे याद रखता है उसको मैप पे मेंशन करना. एंड सो देर इज़ नॉट इवन द शेडो ऑफ आवर विलेज ऑन एनी मैप. एंड देन ही फील्स वेरी पिटी कि देर इज़ नॉट इवन अ शेडो ऑफ आवर विलेज ऑन एनी मैप. So the narrator, I told you already, Shyama, and he feels he's very sad to see that his village finds no mention in any geography book nor a place in any atlas. and but in his opinion, now we'll see, in his opinion, this village Hosahalli has several unique features. There are mango trees and creeping plants in the village pond, and then he says finally that the best way to know about his village is to visit it. Now you see, sorry, I started somewhere and then went off in another direction. So he says that he started on the topic Ranga's marriage, and then he went off to another topic. If the state of Mysore is to Bharatvarsha, what the sweet curry dabu is to a festive meal, देन होसाहल्ली इज़ टू मैसूर. वो कहते हैं जैसे मैसूर जो है इंडिया के लिए, भारतवर्ष के लिए जितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, या करी गदाबू, दिस इज़ अ साउथ इंडियन फ्राइड स्वीट फिल्ड विद कोकोनट एंड शुगर, एक मिठाई है. जैसे कि साउथ इंडियन मिठाई जो है फेस्टिव मील के लिए ज़रूरी है वहाँ पर, ऐसे ही होसाहल्ली इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मैसूर. State what the filling is to Kari Gadabu. What I have said is absolutely true. Believe me, I will not object to your questioning it, but I'll stick to my opinion. I'm not the only one who speaks glowingly of Hosahalli. We come to this. He says this, that he is not the only one who will speak very fondly, very lovingly of Hosahalli. फिर वो कहता है we have a doctor in our place. His name is Gunda Bhatta. He agrees with me. He has been to quite a few places. No, not England. If anyone asks him whether he has been there, he says, no, Annaya, I have left that to you. Running around like a flea pestered dog is not for me. I have seen a few places in my time, though. As a matter of fact, he has seen many. So Shyama says that he is not the only person who will talk very glowingly, very respectfully, very nicely about his place. और उनके place के एक doctor भी हैं, whose name is Gunda Bhatta. वो he has seen so many places in India. Here, though he has not been to England, he also agrees that Hosahalli is the best place. Okay, this much you can understand here. Now we come to the point that how he describes. We have some mango trees in our village. Now he tells about the special features of his village. Come visit us and I'll give you a raw mango from one of them. Do not eat it. Just take a bite. The sourness is sure to go straight to your Brahmandra. वो कहते हैं कि हाँ, आप हमारे रॉ मैंगो को टेस्ट करके देखिए. अगर आपने छोटा सा बाइट भी ले लिया, उसका जो सारनेस है, उसकी जो खट्टापन है, वो सीधा आपके हेड में जाता है. ब्रह्मंद्र मीन्स द सॉफ्ट पार्ट द चाइल्ड्स हेड वेयर द स्कल बोन्स जॉइन लेटर. सीधा सर पे जाएगा. आई वंस टुक वन सच फ्रूट होम एंड अ चटनी वॉज मेड आउट ऑफ इट. ऑल ऑफ अस एट इट. द कॉफ वी सफर्ड फ्रॉम आफ्टर दैट. It was when I went for the cough medicine that the doctor told me about the special quality of the fruit. And then Shyama tell us that how he made a chutney, he ate और cough हो गई. उसके बाद डॉक्टर ने इसकी special quality बताया कि it is very very sour. Just as the mango is special, so is everything else around our village. We have a creeper growing in the ever so fine water of the village pond. And then he says besides mango, there is a creeper plant which grows in the pond. Its flowers are a feast to behold. कहते हैं जो उसके फ्लावर हैं, they are a feast. Feast means very lovely to see. Behold means to see. Get 2 leaves from the creeper when you go to the pond for your bath, and you will not have to worry about not having leaves on which to serve the afternoon meal. वो कहता है आप नहाने के लिए जाते हैं, 2 लीफ ले आइए और आपको आफ्टरनून का जो मील है पूरा उस पर ही सर्व हो सकता है. You will say I am रैम्बलिंग. वो कहता है मुझे लगता है कि आप ये कहेंगे कि आई एम गोइंग अवे. रैम्बलिंग मीन्स आई एम गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम द मेन पॉइंट. इट इज़ ऑलवेज लाइक दैट व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ विलेज कम्स अप. बट एनफ. इफ़ एनी वन ऑफ यू वुड लाइक टू विजिट अस, ड्रॉप मी अ लाइन. वो कहता है ओके, नाउ आई विल नॉट गो फर्दर, आई विल कम टू माई पॉइंट, दैट इज़ रंगाज मैरिज. और वो कहते हैं अगर आपको कभी विलेज में आना है तो प्लीज़ ड्रॉप मी अ लाइन, गिव मी अ शॉर्ट लेटर. I will let you know where Hosahalli is and what things are like here. The best way of getting to know a place is to visit it. Don't you agree? बाद में narrator कहता है कि सिर्फ हमारे place में आप आइए और इसे देखिए. And this is all in the first video.